Morning, Daydreamers. I just feel like with the corruption and vile, toxic of what we're taking on the tyrant tyranny, Humpty Trump. I'd play Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart, because Ratchet and Clank Rift Apart is a character who they fight along an alternate version where in reality Nefarious has taken over, and just like Humpty Trump, he has taken over political and politics and abusing the power like the Federation and the Epstein Files. There's also, I could play Evil West, which is a Western civilization where you're fighting off against vampires and tyranny.